Hi students, all of you good morning. In the last class, we discussed about stoichiometry. Okay. Today we're going to see about reactions in solutions. Okay. A majority of reactions in the laboratories are carried out in solutions. Students, the reactions most of the reactions ಲ್ಯಾಬೋರೇಟರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? Solution means it is a major two important substance mixing two substances. Which are the substances? One is solute and solvent. Okay, solution means solute irutte and solvent irutte. What's the meaning of solute? The substance is dissolved. Okay, that means one of the example you taken sugar is taken a solute. What is the meaning of solvent? Solvent, the substance is dissolving. Okay, taken a water. Sugar is a solute, water is a solvent. This is called what? Sugar solutions. Okay student, the solution means mixing of two substances like solute and solvent. Majorly solute ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕರಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕರಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕರಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳಂತ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. The majority of the reactions in the laboratory are carried out in a solutions. Okay, therefore it is important to understand ಏನನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. How the amount of substance like solute or solvent, the substances is expressed in the present in the form of solution. ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ, ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವಿನ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವೇಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೇಸ್? ದೀಸ್ 4 ways. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು? ಓಕೆ, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ expressed in the amount of substances in a reaction of solution, mass percent, either we called weight percent. Second one is molarity. Third one is molality. Fourth one is mole fraction. Okay, let me discuss first one by one. Mass percent or weight percent. Okay, mass percent. What's the meaning of mass percent? It's a direct definition. Mass of solute. Do you understand the solute definition? Yes. Mass of solute divided by mass of solution. Solute plus solvent. This is called what? Solution. Into mass percent 100. Either way definition is mass of a solute present in 100 gram of a solution. This is called what? Mass percent. Students, let me go for the one problem about mass percent, then can understand very easy. One problem na ನೋಡೋಣ mass percent ಮೇಲೆ, then you can understand easily. Okay, one of the problem is the problem 1. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance A. One of that substance A, one of the 2 gram solution and 18 gram of water. ಎರಡಿದೆ, 2 gram of substance and 80 gram of water. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೀಗ ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಈಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೋಣ, ಎ. ಸೊ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಎ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ solution, okay, into 100. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಗ್ರಾಮ್, ರೈಟ್? 2 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ divided by mass of a solution. Solution means solute plus solvent. This is A is a solute, this is one of that water, this is a solvent. So 2 gram plus 2 gram of what? A, and 18 gram of water, okay, 18 gram of water into 100. What you get? This is 2 into 100 divided by 18 plus 2, 20 gram, okay. So then idishtನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ divide ಮಾಡಿ, will get what? How much? This is 10%. Mass percent of A will get what? How much? 10% ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 200 by 20 gets calculated to get 10%. Okay students, this is about mass percent calculation. Okay, so next we move on to the molarity. Molarity is generally represented by capital M. Okay, capital M is representation of molarity. Definition: the number of moles of the solute in 1 liter of a solution. How did you calculate moles? Number of moles, how did you calculate? Moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Okay, either we called as weight divided by gram molecular weight. ಈ ಥರನಾರು ಕರಿಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಥರನಾರು ಕರಿಬೋದು. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ moles of the solute in 1 liter of a solution. Okay, very simple. Now really 1 liter means what? 1000 cm cubes, either cc either ml. 1000 cc either 1000 ml. Okay, the definition 1 liter, either you have to mol the number of moles of a solute in 1000 cm cube of a solution, 1000 ml of a solution, either 1 liter. Okay, this is the definition. Okay, the molarity means number of moles of a solute divided by volume of a solution in 1 liter. Okay, this is also definition. And some of the expression is present in the presence of mass of a solute and volume of a solution. Mass of a solute ಮತ್ತು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಈಸ್, this is the expression: molarity is equal to WB divided by MB into 1000 cm cube or ml divided by V. Okay, this is WB is equal to mass of a solute, ಅದರ mass, solute in a mass. MB means a solute in a molar mass. Okay, then V is volume of a solution. Clear students? This is an expression for giving the values of molar mass, mass of solute, and volume of a solutions. Okay, the molarity in the expressed in the term of M1 into V1 is equal to M2 into V2. And this is one of the form to be expressed the molarity. M1 into V1 is equal to M2 into Vt. Okay, do you know the definition about N? N is what? Normality. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. This is a normality equation. N2 into V2. What's the meaning of normality and molarity? Is the difference? Normality is represented by N. Molarity is represented by M. This is a number of moles of a solute in a 1 liter of a solution. But normality is number of equivalents. Number of equivalents of a solute dissolve in a 1 liter of a solution. This is called what? Normality. This is next node. Okay. So molarity. In this molarity, we get and going to the some of the problems about molarity. So first one, the calculate the molarity of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, in the solution prepared by dissolving 4 gram of NaOH in enough water to form 250 ml of a solution. Okay, first we question na neat godಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Calculate the molarity of a solution of the which solution? NaOH solution prepared by dissolving 4 gram of NaOH is enough to water of form. ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 250 ml ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್, mass of solute ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. mass of solute, yes, NaOH is a solute, water is a solvent. Okay, solute how much? 4 gram. Okay, now molar mass of solute, molar mass of solute na tilkoona. Molar mass of solute how much? NaOH. Sodium is 23 plus oxygen is atomic mass value tilkobeku. Okay, atomic mass, not only atomic number, atomic mass value of sodium is 23, oxygen is 16 plus hydrogen is 1. This is 40 gram per mole. This is 40 gram per mole. Okay students, then now going to the volume of a solution. Volume of the solution. Volume of the solution is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Volume is 250 ml. Okay. So now mass of a solute ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Yes. Volume of a solution ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Volume of a solution. They can take this expression to get easily calculate the molarity. Yes, then molarity, this is the expression WB MB into 1000 cm cube divided by V. Okay, so going to now mass of a solute, mass of solute into 1000 divided by molar mass of solute into volume. Okay students, so next, this is the mass of solute is 4, this is 1000 divided by molar mass of solute is how much? Molar mass of solute is 40, then volume is 250 ml. Okay, so ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0.4 mole per liter ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So mole per liter can calculate 0.4, can write m. This is molarity 0.4 m. Okay students, next to second problem, calculate the molarity of sucrose. This is called what? Sugar, either C12H22 oxygen 11 in a mole per liter. Okay, either m. If 20 gram of sucrose is dissolved in enough water to make a final volume of 500 ml. Okay, first now idana can knowing to forming of like this expression, ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಥರ ನಾವಿನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಸುಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? C12H22O11. ಇದರ ಈಗ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಮಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಸುಕ್ರೋಸಿನ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ Oxygen is how much? 12 is a carbon atomic mass value. This is 12, that much of atoms are present. Then hydrogen is how much? 1 is atomic number into 22 number of atoms ಇದೆ. So plus oxygen ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, atomic number of oxygen is 16. ಅಂಥವು ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ? 11 ಇದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ you get 342 grams ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 342 grams. Okay. Now going to the number of moles. Then mass divided by molecular mass. So mass ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ value. Yes, calculate the molarity of sucrose. This 20 gram of sucrose. This is a mass of sucrose. How much? 20 gram of mass of sucrose. Number of moles, how much? Molar mass of sucrose, 342 grams. 342 grams means ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0.0585 ಎ ಮೋಲ್. ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪರ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The molar mass is gram per mole. This is mole. Okay students, 0.0585 mole. So next we going to the expression like molarity. Molarity is what? Number of moles of solute. ಈಗ number of moles of solute ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ? Yes, this is the number of moles of solute value. Then volume of a solution in a liter. Volume. So next to molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute is how much? This is number of mole of solute is 0.0585 mole divided by volume occupied. This is how much? 500 ml. Okay, this is calculated. You can get how much values is 0.000117 mole per liter. Okay, this is generally we can get 0.00011 m molarity. This is an expression for calculating. This is mass of a solute and volume of a solution. This expression and the next one. Okay, next we going to the third one of the problem is belong to the molarity. If the density of a methanol is 0.793 kg per liter, what is the volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molarity of solution? Okay, the solution, first you get methanol. Methanol is a CH3OH is a methanol. ಇದರ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸನ್ನು, ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ 12 ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, 12 into 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 4 into 1 ಈಸ್ ಎ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಈಸ್ 16, ಅದೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 32 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪರ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 32 gram per mole of molar mass of methanol. Okay, number of moles, mass by molar mass. Mass, the value is already mentioned, 0.793 kg. This value is converted into gram. Convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 decimals, I mean say 1 2 3, that make what? 793 gram per liter. 793 gram per liter. Okay, so number of moles, mass by molar mass value 793 gram per liter divided by 32 gram. So ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪರ್ ಮೌಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನತ್ತೆ? ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೌಲ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲವ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಪರ್ ಲೀಟರ್. ಇದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಮೌಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೌಲ್. ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದರೆ ಪರ್ ಲೀಟರ್, ಮೌಲ್ ಪರ್ ಲೀಟರ್. Okay, this is value. How much of the values is 24.78 mole per liter. Okay, students, so this is the expression m1 into v1 is equal to m2 into v2. Okay, the m1 is number of moles, 24.78 into mole per liter into V1. Say students, question: volume is needed for making 2.5 liter. Volume is 2.5 liter. This is making 0.5 liter of its 0.25 molarity of a solution. This is molarity. Molarity value M2 is already given and V2 already given. You can calculate the V1. So V1 then a cross multiplication madi. This is going to the denominator. 0.25 molarity into 2.5 L, and molarity get cancel. Then you values you calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 0.0252 liter. This is the volume of V1. Then it is liter na ನೀವು other also we consider about transferring of milliliter. This is put on the decimals 1 2 3 10 to the power of 3. That make what 1 2 3. This is 25.2 milliliter. This is a V1. Did you get a understand about M1 into V1 and M2 into V2? This is one what? First expression is molarity WB by MB into 1000 cm³ by volume, and number of moles of a solution, other volume of a solution. This is a three different forms to get a molarity of the calculations. Okay. Next we going to the next is the third one, molality. Molality means it is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg, either thousands gram of solvent. It is very important. It is mentioned solvent, not solution. Don't get confused. Molarity is a 1 liter of a solution, but in this case 1 kg. Don't get confused. Okay, it is a number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Did you get confused about 1 kg and 1 liter? Both were equal. It is not equal. In the case of water, they can make it to be get equal, but in other substances like glycerol, glycine, that's what not equal to get values. That's why this is very different. So molarity is definition about molarity. It is molality is expressed in term of small m. Small m is the expression of molality. Molality means number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Okay, this is expressed in the mass of solute and mass of solvent. Then molality small m is equal to WB divided by MB into 1000 cm³ divided by WA. WB means mass of a solute, MB means molar mass of a solute, and WA is a mass of a solvent. Okay students, mass of a solvent. This is small m expression. Molarity is a capital M. The problem is the density of 3 molarity of solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per milliliter. Calculate the molality of the solution. Okay, this answer is molar mass of NaCl. Calculate the molar mass of NaCl. Sodium is 23 plus Cl is 35.5. Get how much is 58.5 gram per mole. 58.5 gram per mole. Okay students, next what they have given 3 mole. Means what? 3 mole of solute dissolved in 1000 ml of solution. Okay, so what is the meaning of mole? Already know it. Mass divided by molar mass, either weight. Okay, so mass of solute solute ಯಾವುದು NaCl is a mass of solute. This is what ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು. ಮಾಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೋಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಂಟು moles of NaCl. Molar mass of NaCl is how much? 58.5. Then number of moles. Moles, how much moles? 3. That is 3. How much you get? 175.5 grams. Okay, this is the much of the values we get. This is what gram per mole. Mole hoಗುತ್ತೆ, mole and mole get cancelled, get forming of 175.5 gram. This is mass represented by gram unit. Okay, we know that. What you know it? We know that density means what? Mass by volume. Mass by volume, right? Mass by volumes. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1000 into density. NaCl density ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? The NaCl is the density of 3 mol of NaCl is 1.25. It is getting how much values? 1250 grams. Okay, mass of a solvent. Mass of a solvent is equal to mass of solution divided by mass of solute. ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ by minus mass of a solute. Okay, 1250 minus how much? 175. This is a mass of a solvent. Sorry, solute. Solute is 175.5 grams. That make what? How much you get? 1074.5. Okay, now get the molarity. Sorry, molality. Molality form. Molality is WB. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 58.3, 175.5 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ದ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಬೈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಸೊ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1000 ಟು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೇನು ಬಂತು? 1250 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್. ದ WB ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 175.5 ಇಂಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಸೇ 1000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ capital MB, molar mass of a solvent. Molar mass of a solvent is 58. Solute is 58.5. Then remaining what? Mass of a solvent. Mass of a solvent is 1074.5. It is getting how much value? 2.79 meter. Means m, small m is what? 2.79 small m. Small m is molality. This much of value will get a molality. Okay, students. Mole fraction. What's the meaning of mole fraction? Yes, it is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to the total number of moles of a solution. Okay, so if a substance, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ A ಅಂತ, it is dissolved in a substance B. ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, the ratio substance A and substance B. The number of moles are, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, A ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ small na and b ಗೆ small nb respectively. Thus mole fraction A and B given as the mole fraction of A is equal to what? Number of moles of A and number of moles of solution. That make what? The mole fraction of A is equal to what? Na divided by Na plus Nb. This is a mole fraction of what? The form of A. But in the case of B ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, B ಅಷ್ಟು NB is equal to Na plus Nb. This is a mole fraction of B. Okay, let me discuss one of the problem about again belongs to the mole fraction. A solution is prepared by dissolving 1 mole of ethyl alcohol C2H5OH in 3 moles of water H2O, where Na and Nb respectively the number of moles of a C2H5OH and H2O. Na is what? Na is the C2H5OH and Nb is the water. Okay students, ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೋಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1 ಮೋಲ್ ಈಥೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ದು 1 ಮೋಲ್ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟರ್ದು 3 ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ molar mass. ಇದರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, because of already mentioned the moles value. So directly mole fraction of ethyl alcohol, then XA ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, Na divided by Na plus N1. Na is what? Mole fraction of ethyl alcohol. How much? 1 divided by Na means 1. Then 3 is Nb. Nb is a 3. 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. Same as like mole fraction of water. Water is Xb. B term is water. Nb is equal to Na plus Nb. B is how much? Mole values of B is 3. 3 divided by 1 plus 3. This is getting 0.75 mole fraction. Okay students. Next we going to the another one of the problem that has 18 gram of water is dissolved in 414 gram of ethyl alcohol. Calculate the mole fraction of water. But here doesn't mention mole values. So first you calculate the mole values. The solution mole values calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? The number of moles calculate is mass by molar mass. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ವಾಟರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಸೊ 1 into 2 plus 16. This is 18 gram of water. The molar mass of C2H5OH. This is how much? 2 into carbon is 12 plus 6. This is a hydrogen 6 ಇದೆ, 5 plus 1, 6 into 1. Okay, 1 is a atomic weight of hydrogen, and oxygen 1 ಇದೆ, 1 into 16. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 46 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್ number of moles of water. Mass by volume, molar mass. Mass of the value is how much? This is what? 18. Mass value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 18 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ. So 18 gram is the molar mass. Then what? Molar mass of water is also 18. So easily get 1. So N of water is how much? 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈಥೇಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ತಗೋಣ C2H5OH, ಇದನ್ನು NA ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನು NB ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ NaH ಇಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 414 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು? 46 ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? NB9. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಮೋಲ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ water is Na. So Na divided by Na plus Nb. So Na means 1. This is 1 plus 9. This is 1 by 10. This is what? How much? 0.1 is the mole fraction of this water molecule. Okay, like this you can calculate the ethyl alcohols also, that make what? Nb. This is a mole fraction concepts. Okay students, I think you're getting. Thank you.